Hey guys, today we're going to take a really quick look at the 28 to 75mm f2.8 from Tamron, and I'm shooting this all with the Sony A7 II paired with this lens. Now, why you want a multiple focal lengths is because you can get different types of shots, and illustrated here you can see different types of parallax shots where the background looks different. It looks more compressed when you get that higher millimeter range. So I'll be making a lot more videos coming out with this lens, trying to illustrate the type of shots you can get with this. I'm also going to be using my Ronin S more, so if you like these type of videos, stick around and check it out. Thank you.